Om, we had a very interesting question from one of our viewers. He wrote in saying, okay, now we have a stable government. Now infrastructure might move. Will this mean I can finally buy a house?
There are three ways to look at this whole subject. At this point of time, what we were seeing was there were a lot of people who are fence sitters, who are sitting and watching what was happening. If there is a clarity in terms of how the new government forms, we will take a decision on buying home. So we will continue to see the guys who are actually sitting out as investors will continue to watch for a little more time because they were taking bets in terms of taking a long-term call on this asset class. But what we are going to see is a lot of actual buyers who are waiting and watching. Specifically in the segments, two segments, that is basically the mid segment and the luxury segment will be out in the market. We've seen this in the last 15 days. Suddenly there is 200% spurt in the activity. People want to catch those deals which are currently on the shelf, may not be on the shelf, with some registration waiver, with some 2080, with some 75-25, God knows what all schemes are there in the market. So there are a lot of people who go out in the market and doing those activities of grabbing those schemes in the market. What is worth watching is the affordable segment. The segment which was abused in last 10-15 years, we really didn't understand what is affordable in real sense. People are looking for affordable homes within the city limits. They're not looking for 20-30 kilometers away from the city. What worries us is a lot of people in most cities, most of the cities, we've seen people going and buying these apartments, thinking that they will continue to stay there. They're currently living on a rent and they'll basically go and move to those apartments as and when the infrastructure improves. We don't know whether there is a magic wand the new government has which can change over the next 2-3 years. But what we need to see is the housing policy of the new government. The good thing is, there are a lot more options. 2 years back, there were lot few options for people to choose. There are a lot many options today. Whether people are seeing that there will be sudden spurt in prices going up, may not be, but they will be gradually moving up as and when the economy starts improving.